The charge sheet does not allege, as provided under section 16(3), whether the system crashed. It does not allege whether it stopped working or caused any financial loss or injury to any person. In addition, it does not allege whether in any way there was interference with national security. In line with the said provision of statute and the reasons that I've stated above, I hereby refuse to admit the 2 counts before this court, and therefore I hereby proceed to discharge the suspect, that is Rose Njeri Tunguru, under section 89(5) of the Criminal Procedure Code.